Hello friend, I'm Laia. Welcome to today's desk yoga. This is a perfect class if you work at an office or if you sit a lot or you maybe work from home and you also spend lots of time sitting in front of your computer. This class is ideal to do perhaps at the beginning of your workday, just as a short little stretch. You could also do it as a break, as many times as you want to throughout the day. Especially if you do pomodoros, this could be a great thing to do in your pomodoro breaks. And it's also a great short class to close out your workday. The great thing is that you can do it right at your desk, sitting at your chair, so it can really be done anywhere. So let's go ahead and get started. Bring yourself to a comfortable seat on your chair, making sure that if it has wheels, that those wheels are locked. And you can also place your feet flat on the ground for more stability. Roll your shoulders down and away from the ears, lengthen your neck and your spine, and maybe soften your gaze down or close your eyes for a moment. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose or the mouth. In through the nose, noticing the expansion of the breath inside of the body. Let it go. Notice how you feel. Inhale. And exhale. Feel free to keep your eyes closed or open them. Inhale, lift your chin up. Exhale, lower your chin down toward the chest. Again, inhale, lift the chin, open through the throat. Exhale, lower your chin down to the chest. Stay here for a moment in stillness, or maybe move your chin from side to side, from collarbone to collarbone. Inhale. And exhale. Pause the movement, let your chin rest toward the chest, and then interlace your hands behind your head here, drawing the elbows in, round your back as little or as much as you want. On the inhalation, lift your chest, draw the elbows wide. Maybe the gaze lifts as well. Exhale, round your back and look down. Elbows toward one another. One more inhale to open up. Exhale to round. Inhale to open up through the elbows. Exhale, slowly extend your arms straight up toward the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out, surrender your hands to our opposite elbows or opposite wrists, and maybe your arms rest at the top of the head. Inhale here fully. Open your mouth side out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale here. And on the exhalation, as you release the arms, take a twist toward the right side. Your left hand will land on the outside of your right leg, and your right hand can grab the back of your chair or maybe the desk to help you twist maybe a little bit deeper or make the twist more stable. Inhale fully. And on the exhalation, maybe the twist deepens a little bit more, but it's not necessary. It's more about making space and being with what is. One more, deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. Come back through center, inhale. Exhale, now take the twist to the left, creating leverage by, again, grabbing the desk or the chair. One more deep breath in. And out. Inhale, come back through center, reach your arms straight up. Exhale, bending at the elbows. Once again, catch opposite wrist or opposite elbows. Deep breath in. Exhale, lean a little bit to the left, opening the right side body. Draw your left rib cage forward and your right rib cage a little bit back, and maybe your gaze goes to the right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Back to center on the inhalation. Exhale, tilt now to the other side. You don't have to go very far. Just notice the opening and the space that's created between each rib. One more, breathe in. Breathe out. Come back through center on the inhalation. And as you exhale, release your hands back down to the lap. Take a moment to roll your shoulders, doing a few circles one way. And then the other. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now on your next inhalation, extend your arms forward, face your palms away from you. And on the exhalation, rotate outwardly. Fingertips go out and down. Inhale, flip your palms back to the neutral position. Exhale, external rotation. One more, breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, bring your hands back to neutral. Now make fists with your hands and roll your wrists a few times one way. And then the other. You could also do the same thing with the ankles. And again, a few times one way. And then a few times the other. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release your arms. If your feet were also moving, bring them back to the earth, find length. Inhale. Exhale, soften your gaze or maybe close your eyes. And we'll finish this class with 2 rounds of square breath. You'll inhale for 4. Hold your breath for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Again, in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. And hold for 4. Regular breath in. Full breath out. Take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. Anything that has shifted in your mind. And how you feel energetically. So that as you move into your workday, or as you continue it, or as you wrap it up, you can make choices that align more with your energy, your values, what you want. Deep breath in. And let it go. Once you feel complete, you can open your eyes. And if you must return to your work, return to your work. If it's time for you to wrap up your day, I hope that you have a beautiful one. If you've enjoyed this class, consider that, again, you can do it before you work, as a break, or as a closing. And the more you do it, the more you may find that you find more balance in the way that you create, or that you work, or that you study. So I invite you to also check out these classes, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Until then, take care of yourself and be well. Bye, everyone.